Welcome everybody to the fifth and final episode of Black Pearl TEARDOWN. We are in the final stretch, so let's get some of the remaining parts in the engine bay, secure the bits that are hanging off, and put back the wheels so we can push her out of the garage. Now that the Pearl is finally out of the garage, I want to take out some of the useful interior bits. The last thing I want to take out is this brake booster, as it's fairly new. The seal will fit in the Misty Lady. Let's get it out. But first, we're going to drain the fluid. Okay, I already came here with snippers. Let's dig. Well, this is it. This is exactly what I needed. The remainder of the stuff, especially this one was very important for me. And yeah, I can take this back to the garage and finally say goodbye to the Black Pearl. I know some people in the comments will be most probably saying, yeah, I would have taken this, I would have taken that, but that's the thing. I could be taking apart the whole thing, take all the plastics, but it's just I don't have a place to store it, right? That's one. And two, I'm just not gonna really need like some of the small bits and seals and whatever. I just took the things that I figured will be the most important for me in the future. And yeah, well, it's been a ride. Thank you, Black Pearl, for being such a great first car and a great experience. And I hope your parts will continue to live in other cars. This is gonna be a thumbnail. Oh, yeah. So anyway, finally we have completely dismantled the Black Pearl. All the parts, the engine and the boxes are filled to the brim. And of course the most important part, which is the gearbox that is going to be dedicated to Misty Lady, and let's hope it fits. And anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this small series of the Black Pearl TEARDOWN. In the next episodes we're going to be trying to save and revive Misty Lady. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Take care and I'll see you all in the next episode.